Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss relation. From relation, how we are getting functions. From relation, how we are getting functions. Is a relation, every relation is a function? Is every relation is a function? Vice versa? Is it true? Every function is a relation. Every relation is a function or not? We'll see. First, we will see one by one. Suppose this is the set A and this is the set B. Suppose elements are there A, B, C, D, and here only one element is there, for example K. All the elements A, B, C, D. This is called the elements. A, B, C, D are called the elements. All map to the set. We suppose it is a function. A mapping, a mapping. This is called mapping. F maps A to B is called many to one relation. This is called many to one relation. Many to one relation. Suppose one element is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one is C is going to 1, C is going to 2, C is going to 3, C is going to 4, C is going to 5. Suppose this is a G function C to D. So G is a relation from C to not the function, it is a relation. This is called one to many. This relation is called one to many. One to many relation. And before going into detail, please see here. This is also green. Wait. See here. This set of the elements are called domain. This set of the elements are called codomain. So next, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. A, B, C, D is there. 1 is going to A, 2 is going to 3, and 4. And 4 is going to A also, A is going to C also, 2 is going to D also, 3 is going to F also. That's like this. So this is suppose D, E, F is there. So F is a mapping. Suppose F is a mapping from E to F. So it is called many to many function. Many to many relation. Many to many. Many to many. Okay. Many to many. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 is their element. Here A, B, C, D is there. So 1 is going to 1, 2 is going to B, 3 is going to C, D. Some more elements are. This is called one to one relation. One to one relation. One to one relation. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3. It is A. This is 1, 2, 3. This is also 1, 2, 3. For example, 1 is going to 1, 2 is going to 2, 3 is going to 3, 4 is going to 4. Same. This is called, suppose A to B is mapping. So I maps A to B. It's called identity mapping. Identity. Self mapping. Identity map. Identity map. And suppose A is there, B is there, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. And here A, B, C, D, E is there. So 1, suppose B is 2, 3, D. This is called 1, 1, and one element is left. So into 1, 1 and into mapping. 1, 1 and into mapping. Suppose same 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. A, B, C, D is there. Suppose this is a mapping. This is called 1, 1 and onto mapping. Onto means nothing is left. Here you see. Here 1 is left into. So here, here, this is domain. This is called domain. This is called codomain. Codomain. Codomain equal to range. In onto function, codomain equal to range means this is the all the elements which are mapped. Codomain means all the elements in the sets. You see here, codomain means A, B, C, D, E. Range means A, B, C, D. So codomain is not equal to codomain is not equal to range. Please make a note. Codomain is not equal to range. Here equal to range. Here equal to range. So these are all types of the relations. These are all the relations. See, and one more thing. Is every relation is a function? No, we don't know. We can't say. We will go one by one. Let me change the daily color. This one, let me change. You see, many to one is a function. One to many is not a function, but it is a relation. Many to many is not a function. Not a function, but it is a relationship. One, one is a function. One is a function. One is a function. See, identity mapping is also a function. Into is also a function. One and onto is also a function. Okay, that's the thing. And one more thing I want to say here. One one and onto function. Just where is onto function? Wait. One and onto just onto function. Let me do one more. This is called onto function. Onto. Onto relation we call surjection. Surjecti. Surjection. And one more thing. One and onto. One and onto is called bijective function. One and into is called injective function. Injection, injective. So this is about the two functions. Suppose three functions are there. Suppose A is elements are there A, B, C for example. This is mapped to this and this is mapped to this. This is F, this is G. This is set A, B, C. And it is written from, as you see, G circle F. is from A to C. G circle from A to C. This one, the element. This is called composite function. This more than 2 is called composite function. Suppose one more is there. Suppose there is. Suppose if it is like this. This is your A. This is your A, B, C, D. So A is mapped to B, F. B is this G. It is H. So this is F circle G of H is same as F of G of H. But here G circle F is not equal to F circle G. Please make a note. G circle F is not equal to F circle G. And one more thing, F circle G inverse is same as G inverse F inverse. F circle G, F circle G whole inverse is G inverse F inverse. This one. And these are same. So 1, 1 and on to function. So every relation is not a function. So only we have few functions. This is also a function. This is called a composite function. This is a composite function. More than two functions are there, composite function is there. So these are the few types of the functions, relations. So only you see there are so many relation, only few are function. 1, 1, onto 1, 1 and into. Many to 1, you see many to 1 is called a constant function. This one, many to 1 is called a constant function. The name is constant function. So we have constant function 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1 and on to 1 to 1 and into. Only this type of these only functions we have from all the relations. What we have? Constant function, 1, 1 function, 1, 1, 1, 1 function, 1, 1 function. 1, 1 and on to 1, 1 and into. 1, 1 and on to is 1, 1 and to what we call bijective function. On to function is 1, 1 and on to. Just on to function also is there. On to function is surjective. Surjective. Let me see, I am saying right. Yes, on to function is surjective function. 1, 1 function is injection. 1, 1 function is called injection. 1, 1 function is called injection, surjection, and biject. That's it. And one more is identity function. One more is identity function. These are the few basic things. Identity function. So these are basic things. So I gone with the Venn diagram. So we have discussed so many problems. I made separate video for every everyone. And one more thing, inverse of a function also. One more is there, inverse of a function. If a function is 1, 1 and on 2, then only inverse exists. If inverse, if a function is bijective, then inverse of a function exists. These are the few things. Thanks for watching. Please do share with your friends.